Okay guys, in this video tutorial we will learn that how we can make a circuit that can prove Ohm's law within the proteus. So first of all you must learn that what an Ohm law is. Ohm's law simply states that whenever you apply voltage across any load, the current flown will be in direct relationship with that of voltage. Or in simple words you can say that more is the voltage, more is the current flowing through the resistor. Simple. Another simple meaning is that if there is 1 volt voltage across 1 ohm resistor, it means that 1 ampere current is flowing through the resistor. And if 2 volt is applied, it means that 2 ampere is flowing through the resistor. But in order to make such a circuit, you need first you need battery. Okay, now we got our battery, that is the source of voltage, and then we need a resistor of zero point 0.6 watt, and we will we can take any resistor and we will just paste it here. Okay, now this. Okay, now one more thing, that we also need one DC ammeter so that we can measure the current, and ammeter is always in series. Now this, and we also need DC voltmeter. We also need voltmeter to measure the voltage across this R1 resistance. So now we will change our battery voltage to 1 and our resistance to 1 ohm. And what will happen? Okay, now you can see that 1 volt is applied across this resistor, and we are getting our 1 amp current. Now we will increase the voltage. If we will double click on this battery, that is 2, and we will press, and now current must be increased to 2. Okay, now we will increase our voltage to 5.4 volts, and then we will press run, and here you can see that we got 5.4 amps. It means that this circuit is proving Ohm's law, that more is the voltage, more is the current flowing through the load. So hopefully you got the concept regarding the Ohm's law implementation within the proteus. So thanks for watching this video tutorial.